Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to export product stock from Odoo to your WooCommerce store, step by step. Let's get started. First, go to your WooCommerce instance in Odoo. From the instance menu, choose the product you want to sync. Click on the product name to view its details, especially the on-hand quantity. Let's take a quick look at how this product appears in the WooCommerce store. Head over to Products, then All Products in WooCommerce. Find the same product and open it. As you can see, the current inventory shows 150 units, matching what we saw in Odoo. Now, let's say we want to update the stock quantity in Odoo and push that change to WooCommerce. Update the product quantity here in Odoo, let's set it to 200. Now, to export this updated stock to WooCommerce, click Push to WooCommerce. Select your WooCommerce instance, choose Set Stock in WooCommerce, click Execute. This triggers a queue job, which handles the synchronization process. Once the queue job is done, the update is complete. Let's go back to the product in WooCommerce and refresh the page. Check the inventory again. Yep, the stock is now updated to 200. Success! Now, what if you want to export stock for multiple products all at once? Here's how. In Odoo, go to the export operation. Choose Operation Flow, Odoo to WooCommerce. Select Export Stock. Enter the product IDs or select all products in your instance. Click Execute. Queue jobs will be created for each product and begin syncing automatically. You'll see each queue job's processing in real time. Once they're all complete, your WooCommerce store will be updated with the latest stock levels from Odoo, accurate and in sync. And that's it. That's how you export product stock from Odoo to WooCommerce, whether it's one product or all of them. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.